everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady Jill. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people. Today's topic now about our Edo actress Elipule, where they sick ever since, my darling people. I just shocked for the shocking news when I just hear nah. The thing shocked me like seriously. This world, not a day this life, not a day this life, my darling people. I remember when they bring one video come out where they say she dey sick. They go say she dey sick, make people help. Say I beg, say make people help her, she dey sick, may we help her. So many people come begin they contribute. So many people contribute that period, my darling people. So today now I just shocked for the news when I just see it now. I be even think say she don dey recover because ever since I no come hear anything again. So for my own, I dey feel say everything don dey okay. Say she don dey okay now. I can't dey happy. So today now my darling people, I just shocked for the news when I hear now say she don't me. My darling people, this one shock me. This one shocked me. Does it mean say people not gonna contribute again? Because we get big people for that Niger there. I even remember my sister Tessie Space, Tessie Gist TV. She even do video that time. They even say I beg, maybe people still contribute, So I'm just it shocked me. So many people blog about this Elipule that time, So today now I can't shock when I can see the Elipule don't bear rest in peace, my darling people. May I so rest the perfect peace. So I don't really know what it can really happen. I don't know what it can make her, but may I so rest the perfect peace. What we go do now to just say give her the last respect, The thing really pain me. My sister, we love you. We don't know so everything will come be. Like this still shocked me. Wetin can dey happen for this our Edo industry? Wetin can dey happen? The funny part be say, I remember another verse I get cough. The funny part be say, wetin dey happen these days? If they come dey sick, the way they will come even be, the thing go just surprise us. The way their body go come be, the way they will come be, the thing will come dey shocktalize everybody, So the thing will just come dey shock everybody if they dey sick. Even Hollywood, if they dey sick, they will come lean, they will come dey somehow, Like the thing will just dey shocktalize everybody. Like the way this Elipule be, she's sick, she can't lean. She no come good again for eye. She me even think say she don't recover. This thing don't tell. It don't tell when she dey sick, Even before they bring her come out for social media, they say it don't tell. As they come say money not come dey again. Like the way that our big mama they sick that time too. Where that one can still lean, where people can still help that one. Now so Elipule can still be. So many people can come out, they can still contribute, So like I even think say everything that they do okay. God, this life no balance, the life no balance, This life no balance. What did they happen? Not today this world though. And they always they tell people say not today this world. If you dey quarrel with anybody, go settle with them. Because the person where you agree today, tomorrow, tomorrow you feel one. Tomorrow now you feel ask for another say don't me, and maybe you dey quarrel with that person, not quick you forgive am. You come dey say, oh, I die no. Suppose say I know I forgive am. I don't know say this person go me, my dear. They not dey write am for forehead say that this person I want come me today, so they don't dey write am for forehead. You understand? So that is why we have to dey forgive each other. I dey see some people that say, no, I no fit forgive this person. No, what did this person do me? Pay me well. I no go forgive am. I no go forgive am, my dear. You no be God. You no be God. Now only God na go say I no go forgive person. But you no be God. And even God will create us, he still they forgive us. So people go put something for mind, go reach the, in fact, you go say I not get forgiving mind, I not they forgive. The thing go they shock me. Somebody go say I not they forgive, I not get forgiving mind. Like seriously? If I don't get on sometimes the thing go they shocktalize me, say you not go forgive. Are you God? Now you be God? Are you God? When you go say you no fit forgive anybody, I know they forgive. God forbid. Oh, I know they forgive anybody. I not go forgive. And when you don't know whether you go pay me tomorrow. If you can't pay me tomorrow, you can't reach heaven. God can't tell you say, Shebi, you say you not go forgive anybody. So all the sin where you still commit, me not go forgive you. Go air fire. How you go come reason your life that time? How you go come reason yourself? You can say, hey, I don't know, give me second chance. Second chance, it don't late. That is why me, if person do me something, nah. Instead when I go put her for mind, I better just ask tell you, say, this the way you do me, I not like him. So that you go know, say you really offend me and they pay me. But immediately you just admit, say you offend me. And you tell me sorry, finish. I will just rest. But say you can't they claim right. Now that one I they bust my head. You can't they claim right for waiting be say now you even offend me. And you they wait when me can't tell you sorry. Like seriously? No, that one not go possible. You understand? So that is why instead when you go put person for mind, you better ask that person because you don't know. Person when you see today, you feel not see him again tomorrow. As we all they sleep, everybody be like, hold up, me if you they sleep, eh? If you dey sleep, you no go even know whether pikin dey near you again until you wake up the next day because na God na dey wake everybody up. Some people go sleep, they no go wake up. Yeah. Some people go sleep, they no go wake up. But you when sleep, you wake up, you go give thanks to God. Say, God, even though sometimes they do me, I no go feel lie. Sometimes maybe I no go even remember to pray. But when I will come, they do something, I will come, they pray for my mind, say, God, thank you for waking us up. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Because that thank you, Jesus, it is very, very important. Because now God, now he wake you up. Not be you wake yourself up. God, if not go wake, he not go wake us up. Everybody will just go like that. You understand? So that is why we need to forgive one another. You see this Elepuleo now, may our soul rest in peace. I pray, may God receive him. It don't happen. So I just pray me family, may God give them that mind where they fit bear the lost because it's not easy. Thank you, everybody, my darling people. May we give Elepule the last respect. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. It's a very, very sad news.